Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 trigonometry. In that T ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Now, for finding 30 degrees and 60 degrees, I am going to consider an equilateral triangle. Okay. Let us consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Okay, so we know in equilateral triangle each side is equals to same. When three sides of a triangle are equal in length, then we call that is an equilateral triangle. Okay, now see Nana. This is triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. Which type of triangle this one? Equilateral triangle. We know ABC is a equilateral triangle. Then AB is equals to BC is equals to CA is equals to same. Okay, now same units. And if I take here 2A means the side AB is 2A, the side CA is 2A, and the side BC also 2A. Okay, now three sides are equal in length. And we know angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to, that is what known as 60 degrees. In a equilateral triangle, each angle measures what known, that is 60 degrees. Okay. In equilateral triangle, each angle measures what known, 60 degrees. Okay. Now draw a perpendicular AD. Okay, AD is the perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to what nana? BC. Now D divides the side BC into two equal right triangles. Okay, D from vertex A onwards we draw a perpendicular AD. Okay, now to BC. Now D divides the triangle into what nana? AD ఏం చేసింది? AD divides the triangle into two equal right triangles. Okay, like this. Now we know in a triangle ABC, angle B 60 degrees, angle C 60 degrees. Okay, angle A also 60 degrees, but this is the angular bisector of AD is the angular bisector of angle A, means 30 degrees గా ఆఫ్ అయిపోతుంది. Now the point D divides the side BC into two equal parts, that is BD is equals to DC is equals to A. BD is equals to DC is equals to A because of the point D divides the side BC into two equal parts. So this is what BD is equals to A and DC is equals to A because of the total side what the side of BC is 2A, but D ఏం చేస్తుంది? Divide the side BC into two equal parts. So that's why this is A and A. Now clearly angle bad is equals to angle CAD is equals to what 30 degrees. BAD. So angle BAD 30 degrees, CAD angle CAD is equals to 30 degrees. Now consider a triangle, consider a right triangle ABD. Okay, consider a triangle, consider a right triangle, a right triangle ABD. Okay, I am taking this triangle. Okay, ABD. Okay, now angle D is equals to what now here? 90 degrees. We know the length of AB, the length of AB is equals to what? That is 2A. The length of BD is equals to what now? That is A. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. Here hypotenuse means what Nana? In a triangle ABD, AB is the hypotenuse, means 2A whole square is equals to, one of the side is what Nana? That is A, that is A whole square, plus another side what Nana? That is AD. AD is nothing but what Nana? Height. Okay, AD is nothing but height of an equilateral triangle. So AD whole square. Now 2A whole square means that is 4A square is equals to A square plus AD whole square. Now transposing A square to LHS side, then what happen?
Minus.
Its signs will change. A square plus A square కాస్త ఏమవుతుంది? It becomes minus A square is equals to AD square. 4A square minus A square, that is 3A square is equals to AD square. What I am doing? Applying root both sides. Root 3A square is equals to root AD square. Square root cancel. Here applying root separately. Root 3 root A square. Root 3 root A square. Then square root cancel means AD. Therefore AD is equals to root 3A. What Nana? AD is equals to what we get? That is root 3A. Okay, now we know angle B, it measures what Nana? 60 degrees. Angle BAD, it measures what Nana? 30 degrees. Yes or no? See here, angle B measures 60 degrees. Okay, in triangle ABC as an equilateral triangle. Okay, AD is perpendicular to side BC, then this is the angular bisector of A. Then ఈ 60 degrees కాస్త 30-30గా ఆఫ్ అయిపోతుంది. అప్పుడు యాంగిల్ బ్యాడ్ BAD, that is equals to 30 degrees. Now coming to the point, now we know the side of AB is 2A, the side of BD is A, the side of AD. Okay, now the side AD is equals to root 3A. Now I am taking T ratios with respect to 60 degrees తీసుకున్నాం, or you can take 30 degrees, your wish. Sin 30 degrees is equals to 30 degrees అన్నప్పుడు you just consider with respect to angle A. So sin అంటే that is what Nana? Opposite by hypotenuse, అంటే the opposite angle of 30 degrees, the opposite side of 30 degrees by hypotenuse, that is what Nana? The opposite side of 30 degrees is A by the hypotenuse what Nana? That is 2A. A cancel అయిపోతే that is what Nana? 1/2. Sin 30 is equals to what is its value? 1 by 2. Like that only cos 30 degrees. Okay, with respect to 30 degrees, cos 30 ante what nana? Adjacent side of 30 degrees. Adjacent side of 30 degrees ante angle A. Adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. Ante simple ga neela rastunna. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. With respect to 30 degrees, adjacent side what nana? That is what AD means, that is root 3A by hypotenuse means that is A. So A cancel means cos 30 degrees is equals to what nana? Root 3 by 2. Like that only tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. With respect to angle A means that is 30 degrees. Tan ante what? Opposite side of angle A by adjacent side. Adjacent side of angle A means simply I am writing opposite by adjacent side. That is nothing but opposite side of angle A ante that is BD by adjacent side of angle A ante that is AD. That is equals to BD means A. AD means that is what nana? Root 3A. A cancel. So we get what nana? 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is equals to what? 1 by root 3. Next cot 30 degrees. Cot means what nana? That is the ulta of tan 30. So means we can take it as adjacent by opposite. Ante cot 30 means the adjacent side of angle A by opposite side of angle A. Adjacent side means that is what nana? AD by opposite side means what nana? That is BD. That is equals to root 3A by A. A cancel means we get that is what nana? Root 3. Next like that only sec 30. Sec 30 degrees is equals to, sec is the ulta reciprocal of cos 30 means cos 30 అన్నప్పుడు adjacent by hypotenuse తీసుకుంటాం. అదే sec 30 అంటే hypotenuse by adjacent side of angle A means that is 30 degrees. So we can write hypotenuse means what nana? That is AB by adjacent side of angle A that is 30 degrees is equals to what? AD means we can write it as 2A by root 3A. A cancel means that is 2 by root 3. Sec 30 is equals to what nana? 2 by root 3. Like that only cosec 30. Cosec 30 degrees is equals to, cosec is the reciprocal or ulta of sin 30. So we can take with respect to angle A that is 30 degrees. Cosec ante hypotenuse by opposite side. That is equals to hypotenuse means what nana? That is 2A by opposite means what nana? That is A. A cancel అయిపోతే we get 2 by 1 means that is 2. So cos 30 cosec 30 is equals to what nana? That is 2. So like this we can find the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. Now if you want to find the trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees, then you consider the angle what nana? B. Okay na, with respect to angle B, AD is the opposite side, BD is the adjacent side and AB is the hypotenuse. Okay. Okay students, so in next case you consider the same triangle, you want the trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees. This is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse. Apply this one, you will get the same values. Thank you.